Hi guys, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and here's how to change the color on your Android TV.
So if this is your TV right here, and if you want to change the color of your display, then here's how you do it. Just navigate to the settings section. From right here, just go on, press the picture. This one, press on that. And with that, you have this other categories of how to change or edit your picture or display settings on your TV. So if you want to adjust the color, then just press on color and just like this. So you can just edit it from here, and it will show you adjust the color saturation of the picture, the tint, the dynamic color, the color temperature, and such. And that's all.